Hello and welcome to the Plastotech English. So guys, our today's topic would be, I'm going to tell you an HMI page, a different setting. What is the setting which we do in the time set option? In the previous videos, I have shown you about the monitor setting, fast set, and this particular video I'm going to tell you about time set. What is the meaning of this particular time set? So here in this particular setting, I'm going to tell you about how you set the cycle interval time, mold close delay, advanced nozzle delay. What are these things and how you set it out? These things we are going to learn in this particular video. You have to follow this mouse cursor to get a proper knowledge, and please first of all subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can stay updated. So you can clearly see here it has been written as time set, and the unit has been also mentioned, that is in S. S mean it has been mentioned in second. S meaning of this particular S is second. So each and every time in the machines we mentioned as second. So here it has been our first option is cycle interval time. In this particular, for example, I have written as 0.2. I have set it as 0.2. So what does this 0.2 means and what does it do? For example, that means when one cycle is being completed, then our machine will hold for 0.2 seconds and then again another cycle will start. That means the interval between two cycles. Now next is mold close delay. If we will set any digit here, then what happen when our mold is about to close, it will take some delay time. That what we will set here. For example, if I have set it 1 second here, then what happen when the mold is about to close, it will took 1 second and then it will close. Nozzle advanced delay. Nozzle advanced delay means when your injection unit comes forward. For example, here it has been written set it as 0.20. That means when your injection unit will come forward, it will took 0.20 second delay time. After that your nozzle advance, the process will be started. Here it has been injection delay. To give the delay in injection, we set here the injection delay time. Here for charging delay, suck back delay, nozzle retract delay, mold open delay time we will set here, ejector advance delay and ejector retract. Ejector advance means ADV means it's talking about ejector forward. If you will set something here anytime, then what happen when the setting will start for your ejector forward, it will took some time, then your setting will be activated. So delay time means that only. Ejector retract delay, partial decompression time, core 1 delay, core 1 out delay, core 2 in delay, core 2 out delay, core 3, core 4, till core 4. What does this mean? When you will set any delay time here, for then what happen when, for example, in core 1 in delay, I have just set it 1 second. What happen when the core will be start, the function of core will be start, and the core 1 wants to get in, then it will took 1 second extra time, then the process of core 1 in delay will be started. So guys, this is the delay time for all the cores. This is semi gate delay. That means when you are using semi automatic gate, that is in the big machines, more than 650 ton machines, we use all those settings, 350 or 450 ton. Then here it's check system pressure check time. That means in this particular time you have to check the system pressure, and this is high pressure lock delay. That means when you are giving tonnage to your machine, the locking time will be set here. Maximum cycle time, that means you are setting a maximum cycle time. For example, I have set it a max cycle time of 99 seconds. That means my machine, if sometimes my machine failed to complete my cycle, for example, I am making a product within 10 seconds and I have to set here maximum time. So I have set it here 99 seconds. That means if sometimes my product is not able to make in 10 seconds, then it can go for 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 till 99 seconds. There will be a time to complete that product. If I will not able to complete that particular product in 99 seconds, what will happen? The alarm will rise for maximum cycle time exceeded. Now maximum mold closing time,
maximum mold closing time here it has been given. That means in this particular time your mold should be closed. Maximum mold open time, maximum injection time. For example, here it has been written as 10 for maximum injection time. That means my complete injection should be in between this particular time. Here what happened, guys, here we give maximum time, so that if somehow our time will exceed for 2, 3, 4 seconds, then it should not be affect the production. For example, here my injection is completing in 3 seconds as I know. Then if I will set 5 seconds only for the maximum time, sometime injection time if exceeded to 5, then what happen, alarm will be raised and production will be affected. So here we increase the time in a maximum way. That's why the setting itself describe it as maximum cycle time, maximum molding cycle, maximum mold open time, maximum injection time, maximum charging time, maximum nozzle retract, maximum ejector advance time, maximum. So this is the time setting page, guys. In this particular page you will let to know how to set the time and why we give the delay time and what is the use of maximum time. So guys, I think you have understand what I told right now. So if you have understand, just share the video, subscribe our English channel and press the bell icon. Thank you guys and have a nice day.